So aside from the trainings, do you also do din yung mga parang uso ngayon to ngayon, yung mga may mga sports psychologists, yung mga
Mm,
visualization
mm.
aspects?
Ang maganda dito, through experience.
Yes.
Through experience and napag-aralan natin yung mga iba dun. But
Yes.
I'm open, of course, hindi
Mm.
ko sabihin alam ko lahat, pero ang dami nating natutunan din, 2 years, ilang taon na rin,
Yes.
20 years,
Mm.
sabihin natin.
Wow, that long, huh?
Oo, ang dami nating, so even mostly the athletes, kilala mo na.
Mm.
Alam mo yung behavior tsaka yung mga ibang attitude ng mga athletes. So, adjustment na lang. May mga adjustment 'pag ano, and, kung yun ang maganda kasi doon sa martial arts, sabihin natin,
Yeah.
it needs extreme discipline,
Extreme
yan,
discipline. Exactly.
kung puro extreme, even
Yeah.
sa sabihin natin sa training, kailangan yung
For
hard work mo
dedication.
oo,
Yes.
commitment, dedication, yan, tsaka yung extreme discipline.
Mhm.
So ayun, that's why because of those, their attitude, nakuha nila yung mga belts na yan,
Mm.
and they become successful in their careers.
Um, ano yun? Nawala ako sa dun sa uh 2015. Is that 2015? Was the first belt that you had? Or
2012 with
2012. Ah, yes,
kay
Honorio
Honorio,
Bonario. Yes. The first kailyak na taga-Mankayan.
and
And
that's in
then
one
one
championship.
championship,
The second 2016 kay
2016
Edward.
with Edward. And yeah, even me during the time when I was actually sinasabi ko dun, baka maabak tayo dito yung manta. Shinya Ayuki
Yeah.
is a very good grappler.
Mm.
But then, yun, striking prevailed. And
Mm.
then, after that, yun, isa-isang nawala ulit yung belt.
Mm.
Sino yung ano yung parang team plan ngayon to get that one?
The plan, so let's go to 2016 nung
Mm.
nakuha na ni Edward yun. Yung cooldown niya doon, every cooldown niya, jumping ni kaming dalawa kay Edward.
Mhm.
So yun yung
So
umalog.
talagang planado yun.
Oo, so pag-shoot, alam natin mag-shoot yun. Yun
Yeah.
yung umalog kay Shinya before na pumunta siya sa ground floor,
Yes, yes.
ground and
Actually,
pound.